Today, I'll show you how to install and use Doublegram on your Android phone. Doublegram is the most comprehensive software for mass invitations and scraping on Telegram. Doublegram helps you grow your communities and businesses with ease, and it costs significantly less than other similar software while offering many more features. And today, we'll see how to use it on your phone to bulk invite, scrape, and filter Telegram members. First, you'll need to download Doublegram. You'll find a 50% discount code to purchase it during this video. Once you've purchased it, go to your profile on doublegram.com in the My Doublegram section and click the download button. After downloading the zip file, you'll need to extract it. Use your phone's file manager to do this. For convenience, you can rename the folder to Doublegram. You will need to use this name later. Now let's install Pydroid and the necessary modules to start Doublegram. Go to the Play Store, search for Pydroid 3 and install it. In addition to Pydroid 3, also install the Pydroid repository plugin from the same developer. Once both applications are installed, open Pydroid 3 and from the side menu select pip. Go to the Quick Install section, where you will find the list of installable modules. Search the list for the modules NumPy and Pandas and install them. Now open the side menu of Pydroid and select Terminal to open the terminal. In the terminal, you'll need to navigate to the Doublegram folder you created earlier. Use the cd command followed by the folder path. In our case, it's placed inside the download folder, so we'll enter cd download/Doublegram. Now use the command you see on the screen to install the remaining necessary modules. In our case, they are already installed, so it will be quick. Starting from scratch, it might take a few more seconds. Now, from the Pydroid home screen, select the folder icon in the top right corner to choose a file and navigate to the folder where you extracted Doublegram. Here, select the start.py file. Then, press the Run button in the bottom right corner to start Doublegram. You will need to enter your license key, which you can find in the My Doublegram section on doublegram.com. Once entered, press Enter. At this point, Doublegram will start. First, we need to connect a Telegram account to Doublegram. Type 1 to add it. Follow the on-screen instructions or the documentation on our website to add an account to Doublegram. Once you have connected one or more Telegram accounts, we can retrieve the list of members from a group where our accounts are members. From the main menu, type 4 to open the scraping menu. Then type 1 to create a new member list. For our test, we will use the standard scraping method. Now you will need to select the account with which you want to retrieve the list. In our case, we proceed with the only connected account. Finally, select the group from which you want to retrieve the member list. To retrieve the list, it is necessary that the members are visible to the account you have selected. Now we can finally add users to a group or channel of our choice. From the current menu, type 4 to open the adding menu. Then type 1 to proceed with the adding. Using your connected accounts, specify the group where the members of the list should be added. Once selected, Doublegram will start adding the users from the list to the designated place. Great! This was a brief tutorial on how to install and use Doublegram. Remember that you can find the official documentation on doublegram.com, where you will find tips and guides for everything related to Doublegram. If you like this video, let us know with a like or a comment and help us to continue the project. You can also stay updated on upcoming news by subscribing to the channel. If you need more information, you can also find us on Telegram. And by purchasing Doublegram, you will gain access to our small but growing community for advice, news, and much more. Thank you and see you soon.